Hi, I'm Louis Ortiz on behalf of Expert Village, and we're back to show you the finished product of the French toast. And it's a simple, basic preparation, but as again I said, it's a real crowd pleaser for breakfast. We've got a nice, good golden color and an even cooking on either side of these guys. And traditionally, it's just served with some fruit. So I've got a strawberry. I'm going to go ahead and just make some cuts into this guy so we can fan it. And I've got some fresh blueberries as well. It makes a nice garnish. Put some of these off to the side. And we've got some confectioner's sugar, which is also known as powdered sugar. We don't want to go too crazy with that. I usually get just a little bit on the fruit as well. That adds a nice little hint of sweetness there. And got some syrup. Just kind of drizzle that across. Not too much there. And that is the finished product. And it's a real quick, easy preparation. Again, the key element in that is using the clarified butter and just a small amount of it in a nonstick Teflon pan. And it just brings about this really nice color, and you can keep frying additional pieces in there simply because the clarified butter won't have any solids in it. And it adds a nice, real rich flavor to a classic.